Do you struggle with cleaning and organizing your house? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to review the book How to Keep House While Drowning by Casey Davis here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And like many of you, I enjoy reading books all about getting organized and decluttering. But there's a lot of them out there, so I'm going to make it a little easier for you. And today we are continuing our series on some of my favorite books that deal with getting organized. So, our book today is How to Keep House While Drowning, a Gentle Approach to Cleaning and Organizing by Casey Davis. Now, you may have seen Casey Davis on social media. She had a very effective TED Talk. She also had a series of videos on how she cleans her house. This book, which is a very slim little book, was published in 2020, and it is a small book. It is 151 pages, but they are packed with really good information. Casey Davis is a licensed professional therapist, an author, and a speaker. And after getting sober from drug addiction and mental health issues, she became an advocate for mental health and recovery. She lives in Houston with her husband and her two daughters. And she struggled, in her words, after her second child was born, to keep up with household chores. She called it a stress mess cycle, where the more behind she felt like she was on the tasks involved in managing her house, the less motivated she was to start working on them. So, what I like about this book is Casey really walks her talk. She has been there, she has done that, she has struggled, she sees you. And she had a life-changing realization. In her words, you don't work for your home works for you. And that is her approach to this book. A main idea in this book is that if you are someone who is struggling to keep up with either household chores or organizing projects or both, this is really an ideal book for you. She has very creative ways to simplify your to-do list, and it makes it easier, especially if you have limited time, limited energy, or both. This is just one example of an approach in her book. She calls it the 5 things tidying method. Casey says that a room only has 5 things in it. Any room in your house. There's trash, there's dishes, there's laundry, there's things that have a place, but they're not currently in that place, and things that don't yet have a place. Now, I can tell you from my career as a certified professional organizer, I would agree with this assessment. And when someone is struggling with organization, you might find all 5 of these things in every room. And she goes on to explain how to deal with those 5 things, but I don't want to give away too much of the book. I will say this book is short, it is easy to read, it is filled with kindness and compassion, and it is recommended reading for everybody, but especially those who have ADHD, who struggle with anxiety or depression, or all of the above. Now, if you want to see my list of recommendations for organizing books and products, you can visit this page of my website, organizingmagic.com/resources. And while you're there, I hope you'll visit my website, organizingmagic.com, for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.